have another great product now to talk about relieving joint pain, if that's the situation you have. Maybe you've, again, you've overdone it with.
Do you notice the older we get, the more products like this you and I have in a show together?
Didn't we just do a whole show of this together one time?
Oh, yeah.
And it was really popular.
Yeah, exactly.
I think we should do it more often.
Well, you and I were buying stuff out of the show because we needed it.
Carolyn and Dan, senior picks. All right, so Tommie Copper is what we're going to talk about now, and this is an LED and red light, or RED light therapy joint wrap, and this is our first presentation of this month. So you may have seen this on .com, but not on the air till right now. This is a wonderful price today, a featured price of 5 payments of $30. This gives you 880 nanometers of infrared light, 660 for the red light, which both do different things. They relax your muscles, temporarily improve local blood flow, blood circulation, and therefore will help you with your pain. Let's speak to Denise Repko, who's one of our wellness experts here at QVC, to tell us more about this. Hi, Denise. It's always nice to see you.
Welcome back.
Hi, guys. So nice to see you, too. And yeah, infrared and red. We can't see the infrared. As Dan says, only bumblebees can see infrared light. But what it does is it does more than just warm the surface of the skin. It penetrates deep into the cellular tissue at the cellular level. But this is the first time we've been able to perfect this kind of technology so that it's hands-free, stays put. I'm not tethered to a cord. So if I have something to do, somewhere to go, or if I want to remain and stay active, I can have that stay in place and have that relief at the joint and around the joint and the surrounding muscles. So really a great way to just continue to be active, stay active, on the go, but help that pain.
We've had huge success with infrared machines in the past, but usually you have to plug those into the wall, and then you're encumbered and restricted by the length of the cord.
Yeah.
The fact that these are now LEDs, or light-emitting diodes, normally when you've got an ache or a pain, the first thought process is to reach for a salve or a cream or a gel or a goop, and those things have some pertinence, but those are all topical. This actually helps to penetrate deep into the skin.
Sorry, Denise, I'm putting this on backward.
And that's
cool.
why that infrared and the red spectrums are so important.
Yes.
And that helps to naturally increase the blood flow because you're making the blood vessel a little bit bigger. You're dilating.
So ours is not charged up, so we have to. That's what Dan and I were whispering about. So let's look at yours, or if we have some videotape.
Yep.
Here, let me borrow it for a second.
To show what happens.
Well, this is mine, and I just took it off.
So you do yours, and I'll put this one on here.
Okay.
What you will do is you will charge this, you guys, for about 2 to 4 hours.
Okay.
And then you'll get 3 20-minute sessions out of this. And you see it's totally pliable, it's totally flexible, it's totally hands-free, and not tethered to a cord. But don't fret when you get this home, because remember, we cannot see the infrared lights. You can only see the red, but you'll instantly feel the warmth that's engineered from the red lights. But that infrared is what penetrates, as Dan was just saying, down to help improve circulation and blood flow while you're wearing this. But it feels good instantly because of the warmth, but the magic is what happens in the cellular level. And this, guys, has been around for over 20 years, this type of infrared and red technology. Doctors' offices, chiropractors, PTs, kinesiologists all use this. So very familiar, but this is our first time here at Tommie Copper that we have brought this delivery system to you in a hands-free, tether-free, active, on-the-go type of situation. You know, let's face it, we're busy, we have things to do, we want to go places. We don't want to sit and do a treatment. You can take this on the run, on the go, do whatever it is you want to do. And it's comfortable, it's breathable, and has all the properties that Tommie Copper has to offer.
Okay, we don't have very many of these left to go around. We actually got ours to work. You had to press the button a couple seconds. So here it is.
Yes.
So I think you can see, and same with Denise, some of these are the infrared that you can't see, right? And then you have the red light as well. So, and let's talk about this interesting shape. So you have actually 2 buckle cords here.
Yep.
So you can put this around your knee, around your elbow, wherever you might need, right?
Yeah, because we have a back wrap and you hold it in place with straps, with elastic straps. But that doesn't help you if your problem is your knee or
Yeah.
your elbow or your ankle. So you can fix this in a situation. And the hole, Carolyn, because I saw you struggling a little bit to get this on your elbow, the hole goes exactly where the joint is.
Yeah.
So if it's your elbow, this is where you place your elbow.
See?
If it's your knee, that's the patella. If it's your ankle, you put your heel right in there. So that's just a word to the wise on how to get it. And it's totally adjustable.
And then you just tighten
pull the
it,
strap.
however much you need it to be tightened. Like so.
Exactly.
And the whole thing is like hook and loop, so it's going to stick pretty much wherever you've got it. I think
Very
this is
strong
great.
hook and loop.
Oh my gosh, I can already feel this helping my arm. My arm is so sore.
Now, by the way, and this was designed to put over clothing. So that way you can be active.
Yeah,
sure.
you certainly can put it over clothing. In the instance that you can put it against the skin, that's always more recommended, but completely up to you, completely your call.
This is great.
Now, does this also have the infusion of the copper and
does.
zinc technology that Tommie Copper is so well known
It
for?
does, which means it's a premium anti-odor technology. So if you are active and sweating in this, it's not going to stink or smell. And if it does get dirty, you can always spot wash it, but very, very comfortable and breathable. And you know, when you're talking about wanting to stay moving and not having the time to sit and wait, and when you hold that button in on the back here, you'll hold that button in for just a few seconds and you'll see those lights come on. If you don't want a 20-minute session, because this is designed to go off after 20 minutes, if you don't want the 20-minute session, you just hold that button in for a few seconds and it automatically turns itself off.
Nice, sizable too. I mean,
So
it's going to work for most people.
We have a size chart, I think, so everybody wants to know if it's going to fit.
Well, it's a one size fits just about everybody.
Exactly.
It's
and you
super
just tighten
adjustable.
that strap a little bit more if it's too big for you. And like I said, it could go elbow, knee, or ankle. So wherever it is you want to wear it, recommended against the skin. If you want to wear it over top of clothing, absolutely, by all means do it. But the magic is it's a joint and it's on the go and it's hands-free. Nobody wants to sit there holding something in position when you have other things you have to do.
Exactly.
This is the modern day version of the heating pad that all of our parents had, that rectangular plastic thing.
Yeah, true. But it does so much more than just heat the surface of the skin. And the red lights are engineered to do that. And that feels amazing. It feels wonderful.
Yeah.
But it's the infrared that works at the cellular level that helps improve the localized circulation and the blood flow while you have this on to help combat the pain, the strains, the aches, you know, those things that we live with on a daily basis that really kind of keep us from doing things. But this can help you to do the things. It allows you to
I can walk
How's it
around
feel?
on the go. I can walk with it on if I need to go do some other things. But I can feel, and again, if you could put it just on your skin, that's the best. But I can definitely feel the heat through my pants, for sure.
Absolutely.
So this is nice.
Interesting.
Frank is telling us upstairs we do not have many of these to go around, you guys. We have actually fewer than 400 left. So this is going to fit a lot of different sizes. So if you want to get one and share it in your family, I think that's a great idea as well. And it's from Tommie Copper. Don't we love that brand?
And it's a nice savings too.
Yeah.
Right? $149.98. It's normally a $199 purchase. That's what we love bringing you on Sunday mornings. Denise, thank you for your help.
Thanks, Denise.
You guys are the best.
Great.
Hey, and I'm in the same boat as you with the aches and pains, so I get it. I'll do all those shows with you guys if you invite me.
Thank you, honey. We'll talk to you soon. Take
Thanks.
care. Have a good day.
You too.